What is variable? Variable is a name we refer to memory location which stores some value. For example, if the value is 10, a equal to 10, here a is variable, 10 is value. Now if you call a, then it means calling 10. For example, if you mention in the second line a equal to 20, now where a is referring the value location of 20. A equal to Indian servers. Now A is referring to the memory location where Indian servers stored. What are classes and objects? Python is an object-oriented programming language. Almost everything in Python is an object with its properties and methods. Let me explain it in simple way. Class is theoretical representation of an object. For example, human is a class. Human will walk. Walking is a function. Human will talk. It is a function. Human will have two eyes. It's a property. Human will have 2 ears. 2 ears is another property. So theoretically, class will define the functions it can perform and the properties it will have. Whereas objects are instances of the class. Amitabh Bachchan is an instance of human class. Trump is another instance of human class. Both will have the same properties and same functionalities. Python keywords. Keywords are the reserved words in Python. They should not be used as a variable name or function name or as any identifier. They are used to define the syntax and structure of the Python programming language. There are 33 keywords in Python.